Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this, now don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with green country will be Nigeria. The cocoa now be say the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal. They want start the pre-hearing on Monday for inside Benin City, as petitions now they challenge the victory of Senator Monday Okpebolo of the All Progressive Congress for inside the 21st day of September 2024 governorship election. It don't come under judicial scrutiny, it don't come under judicial touchlighting. Person dey yarn all these levels, my good people. Now one countryman wey dey go by the name Muazu Bagudu. He na the secretary of the tribunal. Na him come outside come dey confirm this development. Na him come outside come dey confirm all these levels, so and him dey confirm am on Tuesday. According to how him take yarn am, my good people, he say like this, na him go fit confirm am now give the country people. Say the pre-hearing for inside this case, e go start last on Monday. I no be lie, my good people. The INEC wey be Independent National Electoral Commission, dem bin don declare Oga Monday Okpebolo the winner of the poll on the 22nd day of September. They say Oga Monday Okpebolo secure 291,667 votes. He use this massive number now to defeat the People's Democratic Party, their candidate wey be Dr. Asue Ighodalo, wey scored 247,274 votes. Then for the Edo State governorship election race, the Labour Party, their candidate wey be Olumide Apata, he managed gather 22,763 votes. Now, sake say they are not satisfied about the declaration of the Independent National Electoral Commission. Sake say the thing no sweet their belle at all. The People's Democratic Party with other 6 political parties, they can go file petitions before the tribunal, and they seek to overturn the Edo State governorship election results. So like this now, my good people, the 3-member tribunal wey be say their chairperson na Justice Wilfred Mpochi, then go come hear the 7 separate petitions wey they filed by various parties and candidates. And you see this matter, my good people, a worst no be small. The People's Democratic Party now for inside their own suit, they ask the tribunal to nullify the election results and declare Oga Asue Ighodalo wey be their own candidate as the rightful winner. Meanwhile, the Accord Party and their candidates, they challenge the Independent National Electoral Commission, plus the All Progressive Congress, their candidate will be Oga Monday Okpebolo, and the entire All Progressive Congress for inside one suit like that we carry the number EPT/ED/GOV/01/2024. The People's Democratic Party and their candidate will be Asue Ighodalo, they don't approach the tribunal for inside one suit we carry the number EPT/ED/GOV/02/2024. And this suit, my good people, now to contest the INEC their declaration of Oga Monday Okpebolo as the winner of the Edo State governorship election. Now, apart from the People's Democratic Party and the Accord Party we file petitions, other parties they include the Alliance Party, Social Democratic Party, Allied People's Movement, Action Democratic Party, and Zenith Labour Party. All of them now like this, my good people, they contest the decision of INEC and the victory of Oga Monday Okpebolo. One countryman wey dey go by the name Tony Azegbemi, he na the People's Democratic Party, their caretaker chairman for inside Edo State. This man now come outside, they express confidence in the tribunal. He said they believe 100% say the judiciary go look at the overwhelming evidence wey dem get to show say true their mandate was stolen. Say true enough mago dey for inside the election, and their lawyers go present the case to recover the stolen mandate. Now, as all these levels they happen, my good people, the spokesperson of the All Progressive Congress, he now don come outside the yarn say their party is very much ready to defend their mandate. He said the APC then gets the best legal team and they are very much prepared to counter the claims of the People's Democratic Party. He said the caliber of judges on the tribunal don't already assure them of a fair process. They already give them say for this process, mago no go dey involved. They go make sure say they do the thing fair. They go make sure say they are not biased on the matter. They go make sure say ojoro no dey involved. and Edo State people go see with their korokoro eye say the People's Democratic Party they don lost relevance, they don lost their value, while the All Progressive Congress is very much focused on improving lives for inside Edo State. Dis my good people na the things and things wey come aside from the mouth of the spokesperson of the All Progressive Congress concerning the things and things wey go down for inside the tribunal. Anyhow the matter be you for body my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another legit intel for my table like this wey I need share give the general public. The koko be say Oga Monday Okpebholo wey be the Edo State governor, he don give 18 local government council chairmen wey dey for inside Edo State 48 hours to submit their statements of account. And you see this order, so this directive so wey dey come from the governor, my good people, it was issued on Tuesday. And this directive now dey require the chairmen to submit their statements of account to the Asset Verification Committee through the office of the secretary to the state government. And this statement of account wey dem gatz submit so gatz cover the period from the 4th day of September for inside the year 2023 till date. All these levels, my good people, dey for inside the statement wey one countryman wey dey go by the name Fred bin release. And Oga Fred na be the chief press secretary to Oga Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State. Still for inside this statement, na im come dey yarn say the Edo State governor is very much committed to transparency and accountability for inside this in government, for inside this in administration. That's na why im drop the directive. That na why im give the orders make the 18 local government area chairmen then submit their statement of account from the 4th day of September 2023 to date, and make dem submit am to the Asset Verification Committee within the next 48 hours, wey dey equivalent to 2 days. Inside this process, so this level go help and enable the committee to do their job effectively and efficiently. And the statement of account gatz be sent through the office of the secretary to the state government to Asset Verification Committee. So this my good people na the informate wey I need share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby na to dey pass legitimate intel, dey give country people breaking news on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like the update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring updates dey come, na you go first receive am and you go even get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. Make dey come inside again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg no go anywhere.